Welcome to jsamayal Light. Today we will prepare caramel kheer. Ingredients required: milk, 1 glass sugar, ½ cup brown sugar, cashews, a handful, raisins, a handful sago, ½ cup soaked ghee, 2 tablespoons salt, 2 pinches. Let's prepare. Keep a pan on low flame. Add the cashews and raisins. Fry well on low flame until they are roasted and turn light brown. Keep them aside. Take a big pan and keep it on low flame. Add 1/2 cup brown sugar. Cook until it melts and becomes liquid. Add 1 cup of milk and stir quickly to avoid the sugar sticking to the pan. Add the soaked sago and keep stirring. Add 1 to 2 pinches of salt and stir well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Once the sago becomes transparent, add the roasted cashews and raisins. Stir well. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and stir again. You can now see the creamy texture. Close the lid and turn off the stove. Your delicious caramel kheer is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.